So, good day everyone. I am Gwyneth Salvenzo Ortiz from PSIT S2A, and now I am going to present the OS-C7 or how to perform RAID in VirtualBox. So here are the instructions. Perform the RAID installation, insert text file on each RAID drive, then destroy one disk of different technology. And what happened to the file or drive? And insert another disk and merge it to the existing RAID. What happened when you're installing the new addition disk? So yeah. First, let's go through each RAID level and perform the actions. So in RAID 0, so you should first create RAID 0 array, combine multiple disks to create a RAID 0 array for stripping. Next is insert text file, create a text file and copy it onto the RAID 0 array, and then destroy one disk. Physically remove one of the disks from the array. So the result is the data will be lost. RAID 0 offers no redundancy, so the loss of any disk in the array result in data loss. Wait lang, ko dito. Next is, so that's what's going to happen when you insert the text file and then destroy a disk. So for the second instruction, insert a new disk. So add the new disk to the array and then rebuild array. So rebuild the RAID 0 array with the new disk. However, no data recovery is possible as RAID 0 does not support redundancy. So deleted na talaga siya, lost na siya, and hindi mo na siya ma-recover. So next one is RAID 1. So in RAID 1, create RAID 1 array, mirror this to create a RAID 1 array. So we're going to insert another text file, create a text file and copy it onto the RAID 1 array. So, and then once we have inserted the file, we're going to destroy the disk, physically remove one of the disks from the array. So the result is data remains intact. RAID 1 provides redundancy by mirroring data across disks. So the remaining disk retains all the data. So, ando pa rin no, kahit i-remove natin yung disk, nakikita pa rin siya yung data. Since sa RAID 1, nagme-mirror na siya ng data. So, next is insert new disk, add the new disk to the array, and then rebuild array. The new disk will be mirrored with the existing disk to restore redundancy and maintain data integrity. So, pwede niyo siyang makuha ulit or ma-restore, no? So, hindi siya no redundancy unlike sa RAID 0. So, yun yung pinagkaiba niya sa RAID 1. Next is RAID 3. Create RAID 3 array, configure disks in RAID 3 for byte level striping with a dedicated parity disk. So we're going to insert another file, create a text file and copy it onto the RAID 3 array, and then destroy a disk, physically remove the parity disk from the array, and then the result will be data can still be accessed, but performance may be degraded due to the loss of the parity disk. So hindi siya, kung ano man yung nilagay yung data doon, siguro hindi nyo siya ma-view ng maayos, or there will be degrade performances, no, due to the loss of the parity disk. So next, we insert another disk when add the new disk to the array and then rebuild array. So the new disk will be used to reconstruct the parity information, restoring redundancy and performance. So once you've added a new disk, ma-restore din naman ulit siya, lalo na yung parity information since yun yung pinakakailangan mo sa RAID 3. So next is RAID 5. So create RAID 5 array, set up this in RAID 5 for block level striping with distributed parity. So kanina dedicated parity, now distributed parity. So insert a file again, create a text file and copy it onto the RAID 5 array, then destroy a disk, physically remove one of the data disks from the array. So the result will be data remains accessible. RAID 5 can tolerate the loss of one disk without data loss, using parity information to construct the missing data. So, parang wala lang nangyari kapag nag-delete ka ng isang disk. So, since block level na siya, siguro mas marami na yung since distributed parity, no? So, using parity information to reconstruct the missing data. So, parang yun yung ginagamit niya so that they can reconstruct the missing data. So, kahit mag-delete ka, nire-reconstruct lang din ulit ng, ng uh, ng RAID file. So, next is, if we insert a new disk, add a new disk to the array. So, once we rebuild the array, the new disk will be integrated into the array and parity will be recalculated to restore redundancy. So, ganun pa rin, restore siya. So, sa una lang talaga yung hindi siya nare-restore, no? Kasi since it will not allow redundancy. So, once you have deleted it, it was deleted forever. So, that is all for the answer to the questions sa unang instruction natin. So, that is all. Thank you and goodbye.